Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngobo, man. Ngiyabonga for the opportunity, man. Thanks to everyone who's in the stadium, man, to support Mamelodi Sundowns. We expected a game whereby we're gonna see two chess masters playing it out. It was a game of tacticians. You understand? It was a game of what mental understanding of the game. So I was expecting ukuthi le game lena, Mr. Ngobo, as we have seen coming to this game, the Orlando Pirates, many kind of in momentum, you know, they were playing beautiful football. We saw against Mangesi, they were on fire, and we expected the same thing coming to this game. We expected they were gonna come with that kind of energy. I was shocked to Mbabona badlala mid block ne low block, and I was surprised with how can a team that is such on form and to be told which is currently the best team in the PSL, who would dlala mid block ne low block against a team that's underperforming the worst team in the season. I was surprised to see such things, you know. And then coming into the goal, the Orlando Pirates, I think it was a fantastic goal. I mean, individual brilliant, perfect goal. And then we come to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think Mamelodi Sundowns, they're coming into the game as a limping lion, you know, without Tebogo Mokoena in the midfield. Midfield. But I'm surprised that the good Orlando Pirates could not exploit that weakness, because we saw he was struggling a bit with midfield, but they could not convert it. Instead, they resorted in playing a mid block and a low block. And I was asking myself, coach Orlando Pirates are plan. Because if you you have to make sure you have a plan. You have to make sure we are a destroyer. I mean, mangena midfielder. Yes, South Africa. Sundowns. What do you do about that? You have to come up with a plan and make sure they destroy. And today it was a chance for Orlando Pirates to show us who will win the league. They were supposed to win 3 points and show us this season, it's their season. But they failed to do that, you know. It shows us there's nothing with Orlando Pirates. Still, it's like last season, it's a continuum. Because from now on, the Orlando Pirates is not local, Mamelodi Sundowns is not international. Meaning that Orlando Pirates is going to catch up. Orlando Pirates is going to end up in a game to the Sundowns. And you know how dangerous it is, the Sundowns when I came in hand.
But before you go, do you think it's not because of the Pirates weak, but it's because of Sundowns contain them very well? It's because of you were one of the strongest in the field.
No, my brother, Mr. Ngobo, now what I know, I was told Sundowns is the weakest team.
No.
I was told Sundowns
leave those who are telling you something. Let's talk about what you have seen here. I know you know football very well, but then to say Pirates not the best team because of they couldn't beat you, I feel like you don't trust your players. I will say Pirates were the best. You were also the best because of you didn't want to lose. They didn't want to lose.
Can I be honest?
Hence you collected a point each.
Can I be honest? Mr. Ngobo, Sundowns is in the stars. Pirates is in the clouds. This game was maintained 1-1. Based which Pirates did not want to open half spaces. They knew how dangerous Mamelodi Sundowns is half spaces. They were not here to come, and they were not playing on the front foot, Orlando Pirates. They were playing on the back foot, meaning that they were more concerned about defending than attacking. You understand? So that is why you saw the game end up at 1-1, and that is why even their goal, it was a shot out of range. That's how it is.
Thanks, my brother. All the best.